Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to AJG Sports Talk. And today we're going to talk about World TV Media Center. I'm going to show you guys a big, large tutorial. We are live again on YouTube, also on Google Hangouts. So if you want to go check us out, please check us out at ajgsportstalk.com. You go on there and view all of our stuff. Today we're going to be talking about World TV Media Center. As you guys can see here on our main screen, we are going to be talking about a couple of new features. We do have a notification bar, so anytime that anybody needs help in trying to use some of these features, I'm going to just show you right now that we now have a notification bar, which is up on top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in a feed. And once here up on top, you will see all of the live features. So let's go into our menus. Let's show everybody what we have. And here on the left-hand side, which is right here, is our tutorial center. You get to view all of our tutorials. You get to view everything straight on this portion of the tab. We have a maintenance center where you're able to view all of the selected tabs. Let me just hover over. And you can clean cache. You can do a world update, a refresh, a clean, Specto clean, Exodus clean. And majority of the videos that I've posted up on here, you will see all of that. This gets updated now. The Ultimate Cinema gets updated daily, which is off of the Tomb Raider app. I am not affiliated, nor am I associated with them. So I just want to point that out. I am not affiliated with the Tomb Raider add-on. I don't know them. I don't know the developers. So I'm just going to say one thing, that this add-on is a very good add-on if you want to go straight into the movies. It's just perfect straight off that way. So what you guys see here is a wide selection of movies, which is all updated movies. Now, mind you, anything that's in theaters, you will see here in the section. Anything that's trending, like from good movie, like from a movie to an old movie, you'll see down here in this section. Then we have the browse media. Now, excuse me. Now, we have a lot going on in this section alone. What you guys see here on the right-hand side is what's trending monthly and what's added to the playlist monthly as well. So, and now we have a second side menu that you will see a bunch of cool features on. You'll have movies, TV shows, live TV, music, UFC Live, 4K movies, 3D movies, and 1080 movies as well. And you can go on here by clicking on them, and you'll be able to get a wider selection of movies and TV shows, a wider selection of live TV, music, and UFC. We couldn't put UFC in our tab section because of the content. We're right now still in the middle of finding a working add-on that has UFC, so we're still in the process of looking at that. Here in the sports section, we have live sports feeds, which is on the side. You will get a second menu to view, which is the click here to view. And then all up here, up on top, gives you the sports section. Now, this is live feeds, so whatever is live, you will see. Whatever is not live, you'll see it's in red. And then we give a really cool feature down below for sports fans. So if you're a sports fan and you want to watch a sports movie, we have it, sports documentaries, sports movies, etc., where it will be right here down below. And you'll see, and actually you will see it the quality, if it's in HD or it's in SD, just like that. Now, this is where the fun begins, especially for me. I'm a big WWE fan, love WWE, and I am going to show you guys really cool features here in this tab. Now, what you guys see here is the latest shows, pay-per-views, WWE, SmackDown, Raw, main events. You could view all the latest of WWE straight off the shows. Also, here gives you the WWE Network shows as well. And then, of course, you have your WWE pay-per-views. If you guys want to view the WWE Network, you guys can do so by going to our second menu, which says WWE Network Live, and all you have to do is go on the click here button. When you use the click here button, you will be able to go into the WWE Network Live feed. So whatever is on the network at the moment, you'll see straight up right here. And it's free. So you don't have to go and pay for the network. You'll have it on here for free. So that's really a cool feature as well. Also, we have a kids section. Now, this is an add-on down below that I've created for Disney fans. So you guys will see here down below a cool Disney add-on for Disney fans. So it's called the Disney Experience, and you'll be able to view a very, very large category list from Kids Nation to Cartoons List, Disney World, Disney Channel, Disney Parks, Disney Rides, Disney 360, and Disney Pictures. And you'll be able to view all that stuff on each tab selection. So that's really cool for Disney fans. And of course, up top, you'll see a top movies for the kids. It's a wide selection, so it's not just Disney. It's also other productions as well. Now, going down below, now you'll see an After Dark section. On your right-hand side, you will see a variety of HBO movies. They're not completely dirty. They're just HBO stuff. The dirty part is going into the tab itself. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you on how to get into the tab. All you have to do is just click on the After Dark tab. You'll get a delay in the selection, and then it's going to tell you to enter the PIN. Once you enter the PIN, you'll go right into this channel list. Now, here in the channel list, once you go into the movie and you go out of the movie, you will have to use your PIN again. This is just for security purposes in case if you have children. So that's what that is for. Again, so this is pretty much a selection. We have a tutorial center again, which is really, really cool because if you get lost in anything on here, all you have to do is just go right into this tab selection, and all of my videos are live right on here. Well, not live, but they're right on the tab section, and it gets updated daily. Whatever videos that we create, it will be right here in the tutorial center tab. If you guys have any issues with the sticks, we do Amazon, and we also do Android. If you guys ever have any issues in that regard, all you have to do is do a refresh menu tab. By clicking on that, the tab menu will freeze for like a few seconds. Now, once it freezes for a few seconds, it will refresh your whole menu. Now, as you guys can see here, it's loading up our menu selection tabs. It takes a few minutes. If you have slow internet, it's going to take you a while. I hate to break it to you. If you don't have great internet, it's not going to run on a high performance. As you guys can see here, the selections are coming in pretty good. Bam, boom. Kids Nation, of course, After Dark. So now everybody is asking, how do we do that? So I'm going to give you some tricks on how to work with some of the tabs. If you guys are not familiar with how to create KODI, a lot of people use many things and how to alternate their own programming, how to alternate their own side. You guys could do that. If you guys are developers, we do get a lot of developers. We also get a lot of clients, and we also get people that want to just buy one. But we're going to throw all of that in one video. So if you guys need help with how to do selection on a selection, let's show you on how to do that today. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in my settings tab, and I'm going to click on settings, and I'm going to go into edit menu shortcuts, and arguments say we want to add a menu. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go into underneath my maintenance tab. I'm going to hit add. Now once I hit add, I'm going to go into add-ons. I'm going to go into videos, and I want to add some new stuff into my selection. So what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to find the add-on that I want. And for this instance, we're going to use the Tomb Raider TV. And here in the TV, we got the Mickey Mouse Club. We got Magic Runouts. We got Tom and Jerry. Let's see, we got Kids Zone. We got Prince Tribute. We got music. We got music in here as well. We got a sports zone. Let's see what else we got in here. National Geographic, dinosaurs. So we got a pretty good wide selection here in this regard. So what we want to do is I am going to close that out. I'm going to go back, and we want to create a tab into our menu selection. So we want to go into set label, and we're going to type in TV Nation. I don't know, it's just something that I'm going to do. And I want to do a color scheme. So we're going to use color / we're going to do / color. And make sure that everything is all in caps, because it's not going to read if it's not in caps. And we want to do color. And then in this part, we want to put it as lowercase. So we're going to type in 10. And same for arguments there, we want our label to be in bold. So we're going to throw this up. Make sure the B is in capital. And right here in this part, you want to put it with a / and then close it. Okay. Now we want to hit OK and go out. Now you'll see our tab in color. Now what we want to do is we want to also show widgets in our section. So we want to go to widgets. Right? Now we want to go to add-ons. If I'm going slow, pause the video. And what I want to do is I want to put a TV guide right here in our section. I'm going to go to TVs. And I'm going to go into Kids Zone. That's for shifting giggles. I'm going to do that, and I'm just going to close that out and just do Kids TV, and hit OK. Now that's your first tab. So you want to make it look really nice, really creative. And I'm going to do a poster. And then what you want to do is you want to go out of the selection. And now what it's going to do, it's going to read your menus, and it's going to write it onto your tab selection. So now